Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of social media with a hot topic, threads. Now you might be wondering, can Meta do this? First thing, let us talk about the totally resemblance thread bears to Twitter. I means the character limit, the reposting, the feed, it's all incredibly familiar. But here the kicker, Mark claim millions of people have signed up in just a few hours. Now we know better than to take every tech boss word for it. Part of reason for seemingly overnight success is that thread is connected to the Instagram. If you are already on Instagram, you are given the option to follow of your Instagram followers who you sign up. It's a clever move by Mark leveraging the billion plus Instagram users to give threads a massive shot in the arm. This is very big tech companies have a massive advantages over smaller ones. Platforms like Blusky and Mastodon did not have this luxury. They started with zero users. Now let us address some of the problems with threads. The biggest one I can see is that it only has one feed, not like two like Twitter's threads blend your followers and content it things you will want. And well, they could get annoying. And guess what? Plus, there are no trending information, so it's hard to see what going viral. Let's talk a quick at how threads and Twitter compare. Thread allow post of 500 characters compared to the Twitter 280. And when it comes to the videos, threads let to upload 5-minute video clips while Twitter caps at 2 minutes 20 seconds. Both platforms allow links, photos, and deleting posts, but Twitter has upper hand with the direct messaging, trending stories with hashtags, which threads lakes. Threads does not offer verification, but it's one of the services you have to pay for along with longer posts, videos, and editing functions.